How to software update HONOR X6a. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all you have to do is just go to the settings of your device and then scroll down all the way to the system and updates over here. Now as you tap on system and updates, you can see the option of software update. Now tap on software update and it will start checking if there is any sort of software update option over here. So right now it says that your software is up to date. It means that our software and our device is updated to its latest version of the software and we do not have any older versions. So the current version is also given over here, and if you want to check for any updates, you can just tap on this check for updates option over here and it will start checking and show you if there is any updates available. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.